What is up, guys? This is BC Gaming here. How y'all doing today? I'm doing pretty good here today, guys. Show you guys a free and easy thumbnail making software that make so you can make professional thumbnails for your YouTube channel or for whatever. But we're gonna go through, we're gonna download it, show you download it. We're gonna make a quick thumbnail for this video and generic basics. You can get an idea how it works. And let's get started here. By the way, guys, if you like the video, make sure you squish that like button. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Go and subscribe if you haven't already. And hit that notification bell for future videos just like this one. Alright, what you're going to do is go to Gimp, gimp.org. I will leave the link in the description below. And yeah, I'm going to download right here. And you will just hit, what you're going to do is here, you're going to go down to, you will click on Gimp 2.0 on Microsoft Store. It will start downloading right there. And then you can minimize it. Now I'm going to go and bring up Gimp. And here we go. So first off, I'm going to find a I'm going to use my foreground, my background. I'm going to open as layers. I'm going to go to I'm going to pick out. I think I have a picture. All right, now we're going to make this I got an idea. This is your background. Now we're going to do the first off. We're going to do the lettering, and we're going to go with I think white with a red background. Well, I'll show you guys that in a second. So, by the way, guys, there's a lot of tutorial videos. I have a couple myself. I'll put them in the link, and I'll be doing more future, better videos than my past ones. We'll try to get straight to the point. So, I'm gonna start right here with my text, which is right here. We're gonna go. Think how many words I want to say this. It's gonna be called. Let's choose my fonts. By the way, I have another video on how to find different fonts to download on your computer. Also, I will put in the description below. Okay. I'm actually gonna do something here real quick. We're actually gonna go over here. I want to move this GIMP image over while keeping a black background. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to add a layer. Can I move you down? Yes. Okay. Cool. I'm gonna move. No, wrong one. Go back and choose the cross thing here, so we can move it over. I'll put this right here. Now I'm gonna do bucket fill. I'm gonna click on this layer here. We're gonna choose black. Boom, boom. Check that out. Free thumbnail maker. Okay, I want to actually go back to the texting here on this one here. I want to change this. So okay, firstly, also we're gonna merge this down to that other layer. So now it's one layer on that. We got two layers now. Now I'm gonna click on this one again. I'm gonna go new layer. Now this is where we can make the background of the lettering. So we have to have an empty layer between your background layer and your text layer. Make sure when you're doing this, you right click on your bottom layer. So this empty layer gets put in between your text layer. So now we're going to right click on the text layer. Click alpha to selection. And hit select, grow. We're going to grow it. I think that looks good right there. Now we're going to bucket fill. We'll choose, I'm going to try red. Now we're going to click on that empty layer now. Bucket fill like we did earlier. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. I'm starting to think red and white would be better. There we go. Now, okay, now we can do this. Now we're gonna alpha selection. Again, select, grow. Same thing there. Now we're gonna bucket fill. Click on that empty layer again. And we're gonna choose white. And we're gonna fill that in right there. Now it looks kind of iffy, so we're gonna select. Actually, gonna do this filter. Let's try this. Got blur. There's a different there's a lot of little things on here, and I've done a lot of videos on little things. I've got a whole playlist. I will put in the link below. Gaussian blur. Let's try this. Now what that's gonna do is gonna allow the lines to blur a little bit. I'm gonna click none. I'm gonna actually click on that empty layer. Filters. Blur again. Gaussian blur. Look at that. Check that out. Now, we click on this one here. Let's see. We're probably not going to blur it as much, but we're still going to do it. Blur. See, that's too much. All right, guys, kind of went with. I went back and then I had to undo a lot of stuff, and I wanted to space this out a little better, get the spacing right, make it a little bit better, and I added a very thin line of black. What I did was add that layer I made earlier, made that very small on the grow, and then it fill that with black, and then merged the text layer with that layer to make one layer, and I alpha selected it, and then grew it again with a new layer behind it to make the white. And I Gaussian blurred a lot of it. So, because that white is like, they had neon look with that blur and the black, and it kind of makes it pop a little better. There's one other thing I want to add to this, and I want people to see it like, oh, okay, I'm hoping you guys see. All right, back. We're just going to go with this. I was going to try to find something, try to make an extra little banner thing that says like easy or something like that. But right now, I'm trying to make this quick and short and simple for y'all. It's easiest, and I don't want to try to add in too much craziness. So anyways, guys, that's pretty much what you do is here from here. We go to, make sure all your layers are merged down. After merge, you would go down to, you click on your higher layers, and you would hit merge down, and it merge each layer to the other, and that way nothing gets moved around from there. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Now we're just gonna go to File, going to Export as. I'm gonna export. There we go. You can choose your quality from here. Now, higher quality is lower chance of something. Sometimes YouTube has a limited size folder image you can do, so you might want to keep it at 90. If you can go higher and you think it'll get through, that's fine. But we're just gonna export, and now it's done. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today, guys. If you liked the video, make sure you squish that like button. Let me know. Think in the comments below. Go up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification for future videos. Let me know what other things you'd like to see. Like I said, I've done a lot of little tutorials on Gimp on how to use different things, and I plan on doing a future video on some other. I did one video on PLACEIT, so subscription based one where you pay a little simpler. You can get some more simple thumbnails, especially if you're doing these type of quick tutorial videos like this, which I usually use for these types of videos because it's simpler, quick, and it's just something I'm trying to make it flashy. If I'm playing a video game where I want to use the background of a screenshot or something, I'm going to use this. This is the best thing for that. PLACEIT is probably better to use, or something like that. There are other free softwares out there that work like PLACEIT. I think there's even apps on your phone now you can do it now. We'll go over some of those things in the future as well. And by the way, guys, yeah, that's it. Y'all have an awesome day.